Want to let the apple sit?
Hey, Giada's at the house.
The chocolate is all set. So up next, I'm going to change gears. I'm going to go from making candy to making little baked treats.
Yeah, Giada.
Mini pumpkin cupcakes with chocolate frosting. Delicious little bite-sized treats that scream Halloween.
They scream Halloween. Scream Halloween. Halloween! We're making laundries. We're cleaning. No, we're cleaning, and then we're gonna bike. I just made it into a
like yelled at the camera.
We're gonna bike.
Bike.
We're gonna. She just bit. No biting. Swiper. No swiping.